Hi guys, right, I'm mid-service on this rather nice 20 horsepower Yamaha. It's done about 15 hours work in its life. It's one of the cleanest things I've ever seen, to be honest with you. It's 20-year-old, 22-year-old. It's an auto loop version. Look at that, there's not a mark on flywheel. It's just pristine. And then I've stripped the carburetors down, and inside there there's not a grain of grit, dirt, silt, sand, water, anything. Absolutely crystal clear. Love it, absolutely love it. Hi guys, I don't know if you remember this Yamaha 20. I've done very little hours in its lifetime. It's about a 2002 model. Very sweet. It's got a twin carb on it. Manual start, but it's not that hard to pull over. So it's been recommissioned after being stuck for a long time, and it's had a service. It's had plugs, got the thermostat out, checked, make sure that works alright. It's had the carbs stripped out, make sure they were clean. They were very clean, how it worked. But it's had a new starter rope. It's had all the fuel system cleaned out, fuel filter, it's had new gear oil, a new impeller, it's had a prop deburred, take any burrs and twist out of the metal of the prop. So when I fired it back up, it started up second or third pull. It's really nice fat telltale coming out. So into gear. It runs absolutely superb. Right now, stick over, back into neutral. Yeah, absolute prime example of brilliant engine. So it's all ready, service to go back to the customer. In the meantime, he's sold his boat, and this engine is up for sale. So if anybody's interested in this engine, and it would be very wise buy. Just as low hours on it. It's just been serviced as well. Drop us an email or drop us an inquiry, whatever. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Appreciate it. Take care, and I'll be back again. Cheers. Bye.